everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm so excited that I'm going to do the unboxing video. This is the first luxury handbag of the year. I have this bag when I traveled to Bali, so I bought it in Changi airport and it got 9% tax free, which is a very good deal. So you will see that it comes in this brown paper bag, and I find it's really good because when I buy the luxury brand in Europe, they don't have this kind of bag for me. But from Changi Airport, they do have these paper bags so that it won't be so obvious which brand you carry, which kind of reduce eyes and attention to what you bought. This is actually the paper bag. Now you know it's from Louis Vuitton, and the paper bag this time is so pretty because I bought it during Chinese New Year, and they have a dragon because it's dragon year with this like design which is so pretty. Now I removed the brown paper bag, and this is the brand paper bag that is supposed to be. This is a receipt, and here comes the box, and inside is the bag. Here it is. So I have been telling you guys that I'm not a fan of Monogram, but this one is the Monogram that I really like it because it's in pastel tone. So this is from the Milky Way Collection, and they comes in different design or different bag design. You will see it in like Nano Speedy or many other bag in Louis Vuitton, and the one that I have here is the Nano. I'm not sure whether it's pronounced correctly, but this is the bag that I have been wanted for a very long time, but in the normal Monogram, which is in brown, and I haven't get a chance to get it or buy it until this collection came out, which is called Milky Way Collection. I can insert some photos so that you can see how cute is this collection. Is perfect for the spring summer. I find this collection so cute. I saw this launch coming up in around January, and I have been waiting for the launch, and they launch in February, which is just nice, the time that I travel to Bali, and just nice for me to check it out at Changi Airport whether they have stock, and fortunately they have everything in stock. So I managed to get this. This is the seasonal limited edition. I find the bag is not too tiny. Let me try to put my phone inside. Is not really fit in perfectly. Actually, I should put it this way. Okay, so this is how your Pro Max gonna look like, or big phone gonna look like when you carry in this bag, but it doesn't trouble me. I think it's fine. I'm okay with that. Initially, I was hesitant between two designs. One is a Nano Speedy, which is in green monogram. So cute. So they have green monogram, and they do have Speedy in 20, Speedy 20 that comes in blue and pink. Yeah, and then they have these nano size Noe, and I hesitate between these 3/4 of them, and when I see it in real life, I immediately cut off the Nano Speedy because it's so tiny. At first thought it's gonna be like a more spacious one. However, I find this one looks more practical than Nano Speedy. So I made this decision to get this one instead. I find it's cute, and I have been wanted this design for a long time compared to the Speedy. Now let's take a look closer at this bag. Is this pastel purple colors, and it comes in the gold tone hardware, which is so pretty. And okay, to close the bag, you have to pull this strap like so. It also comes with this handle, which makes it super cute. So I can attach this on. Here we go. So cute. It's really pretty. It comes with the top handle and also the strap. I haven't unpacked yet, but this is how the strap look like. So you can attach on the back, and whether you want to carry as a top handle or you want to carry with a strap. I'm gonna do some mod shot too. So the SA also say that the chain strap can be used with other bag too. So the chain strap is definitely not something that is adjustable. However, when we put them all together in one set, attached with this chain strap on, it looks so pretty. I find it looks very luxury, and this is the differences between the seasonal Noe versus the normal Noe, because the normal one, the strap is not a chain strap like this, but is the leather strap. So they have a few of the differences between the normal one and the seasonal one. The price also different. I would say this seasonal bag usually pricier than the normal collection in the brown monogram. That one is a lot cheaper, like 1,000 bucks cheaper, which is a lot in my opinion. But due to the seasonal design and all that, I prefer this one a lot more. I find it's really cute, pretty, and something that is not really often combined. So that is the reason why I buy this bag. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye!